Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. American psychologist Walter Cannon first introduced the concept of fight or flight response in the early 20th century. This physiological reaction is a survival mechanism that prepares the body to confront or flee from potential harm. Over time, this concept has been extensively researched and validated across multiple scientific disciplines, including psychology, neurobiology, and evolutionary biology. The Fight or Flight Response Worksheet is a powerful resource for medical practitioners to educate and guide their clients about their physiological reaction to perceived threats or stresses. This tool enhances your client's understanding of their body's fight or flight response and its impact on their physical and mental health. The worksheet typically includes sections identifying personal triggers that may activate the fight or flight response. It also provides strategies for managing these reactions, such as mindfulness exercises and breathing techniques. These components allow you to help your clients develop practical coping mechanisms to regulate their body's response and reduce anxiety levels. To use our free Fight or Flight response, follow these steps. Download our Fight or Flight response worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The Fight or Flight response worksheet commences with an elaborate explanation of the fight or flight response. It highlights the physiological reactions such as increased heart rate and heightened awareness that occurs when this response is activated. The worksheet then prompts individuals to identify their unique triggers, specific situations or events that incite their flight or fight response. These triggers can vary from physical threats to emotional or psychological stresses. Pinpointing these triggers enables individuals to better predict and prepare their body reaction. Next, the printable Fight or Flight response worksheet introduces various coping strategies to help individuals manage stress responses. These include mindfulness exercises, deep breathing techniques, and other stress management strategies. Lastly, the worksheet encourages individuals to reflect on their journey and reassess their coping strategies. This reflective practice helps them refine their approach to better align with their needs and lifestyle, ultimately leading to more effective stress management. Here is a sample of our Fight or Flight worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Fight or Flight worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.